So Trisha and Lily back again to talk to you about the use of a facial compression garment after jaw or facial surgery. The whole purpose is just to help gently mitigate some of the swelling that will occur in the face after having either jaw surgery or some of our facial procedures. They should be quite stretchy with a wide band of support, and it can be laundered if it gets dirty. So the one that we're going to be using today has one single point of Velcro. It's going to be, once it's on, located right at the top of the head. You're going to place it on the patient gently and kind of go around the bottom. I'm going to pull it around the top, and then again just gently pull the top here. You want to be able to comfortably fit 2 fingers in, and it shouldn't be causing any sort of pressure or discomfort on the neck or throat. It also comes with 2 little bands of support to help stabilize the facial compression garment when it's in place. And you can place them wherever is convenient for you to ensure that it's going to actually stay with sleep or rest. So typically I recommend one across the brow, and then the other can go right along the back. So go ahead and hold things nice and stable. After jaw surgery in particular, they're very convenient to go ahead and place ice packs in, which you would typically recommend locating in that lower portion on each side. And I do suggest taking breaks from it an hour or so several times a day, because with continued and ongoing use, if wearing it too much, sometimes it will displace some of the swelling into the front or the face.
So thanks for listening. If you have any other questions, please check us out on our website, www.dereksteinbacher.com.
Thanks again.